Hello, my name is Ivan. We are here at the InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas at the AudioPressBox booth, and I would like to show you our Dante-enabled press boxes or malt boxes. These ones are for fixed installation and portable. Basically, very easy. The unit itself has a one-channel Dante input, and it's powered via PoE. So you need only one cable for the signal and for the power. We have the boxes that are for installation in a cardboard concrete. Then we have the standard US NEMA boxes. We have them as on-wall, and we have them portable. For the outputs, you have 4 USB-C outputs for the smartphones of the younger generation of journalists who just need a USB-C to USB-C cable to join. And then you have the standard XLR mic line switchable with every XLR being transformer isolated, every single one. So for more information, please visit our website, audiopressbox.com. Thank you.